Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Gemini placement. This is your general and love reading up to mid-March. Okay, so, yeah. Before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Yes, so, and if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, yeah, message lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page. And sa mga naghahanap naman ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And syempre, don't forget our second channel, Love Letter. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, oo nga pala. Yung ating mga items, yes, available. Okay. Syempre, may mga made to order tayo. Okay. Yung si Granter. Oo. So, Evil Eye Protection. Protection po, ha. Hindi siya evil. Oo. Naalala ko naman yung nag-comment. Huwag daw ipangalandakan. Kasi evil daw. What? Diba? Anyway, Evil Eye Protection. So, kung gusto mo ng protection from Evil Eye, meron tayong ring, dalawang bracelets, meron din tayong tawag dyan, diba? Ito, papakita ko. So, ito yung dalawang bracelet natin. Isang adjustable and isang garterized. Itong adjustable available in red string. And ito yung merong initial na inilalagay. Initial nung magmamayari po. Ha? So, yung ring natin is adjustable. Yung ating necklace, okay, is adjustable rin yung chain. Anyway, so this is non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, unisex. Okay? And sa love naman, anything about love, anything na gustong ma-fix, anything na gustong maalis pagdating sa connection or kung ano man, situationship, no label, yeah, pwede yan sa'yo. Single, yeah, pwede rin sa'yo to. Okay? And si Granter, taga-grant ng minamanifest and taga-pagbigay ng surprises. Ito po yung made to order, ha? Yung Granter necklace natin, siya yung made to order. Okay, so yung chain niya is ganyan po. Okay? Non-tarnish, hypoallergenic, 20 inches long yung chain. Pero kung gusto nyo gumamit ng ibang chain, pwede naman. And yung ating, okay, dito muna kayo. Yung ating pang cord cut. So, ika-cut yung mga cords na talagang nakakapit pa rin, nakatali pa rin sa'yo. Energetically. Emotionally, maybe. So, kaya nahihirapan kang umusad sa mga dapat ng gawin, dapat ng aksyonan. So, may chance na talagang may nakakapit sa'yo. Okay? So, yun ang ating tinatanggal. Anyway, kung mayroon pa pong ibang tanong, yeah, just message me. Sino dito yung parang tuliro? Para akong natutuliro na ewan. Di ko malaman. Anyway. So, anong meron for you? Hanggang mid-March. Gemini. Gemini placement. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. Let's see. In general, anong meron for you, Gemini? Queen of Wands. Insecurities. I don't know kung sino to, kung kanino nang gagaling to. Okay? Anong meron? What's with the Six of Cups in reverse? The Knight of Wands. Somebody's feeling jealous. Fire sign? Could be fire sign. Water. Some of you have this ex na pwedeng, ito this is not love, pero ang nakukuha ko dito is a connection. Somebody pwedeng lumapit or bumalik. Okay. Gustong kunin yung attention mo. The Knight of Wands, they're not consistent. Sa tingin ko, they're not consistent. They're just jealous. Kaya sila nagbabalik. Maybe wanting to have like that. Yeah. Pero ang daming past issues, past trauma na ibinigay ng taong to. One more thing. Gemini. If you're healed already, kung sa tingin mo healed ka na ha, and nakipagtsuktsakan ka, no? Okay, sa taong alam mong ang daming issue sa buhay, makukuha mo yun. Yes! Mapapasa sa'yo. Yeah. Energetically. That's true. Kung ikaw, gagawin mo to dito, pwedeng mapasahan ka nito ng kung ano man na hindi magandang energy in general. So, kung may mangyayaring SEX, no, ngayong hanggang mid-March, anyway, wag natin lagyan ng panahon, ng oras. Kung ikaw tumakipag ganun nga sa somebody, no, na pwedeng alam mong napakadaming trauma, ang dami kung ano man, they're not happy whatsoever, pwedeng mapunta yun sa'yo or ma-share niya sa'yo, no? Okay, so yeah, just vigilant. Tingnan yung background ng tao. Okay? So, well, kung pass mo to, may chance. Lalo na kung past. What else for you, Gemini? Anong pwedeng mangyari? Anong meron ngayong mid-March? King of Cups in reversed. Some of you are not open pagdating sa emosyon or not open pagdating sa relationship. Some of you, maybe. Oh my. Bakit ganito? Puro connection ang nakukuha ko. Gusto kong makita sabihin natin may bigay yung general talaga, pero may mga specific akong nakukuha. Infidelity, some of you. Secret affair sa workplace. Secret affair. What's this King of Cups in reversed? The Moon. I'm hearing sabotage. I don't know why. Sa workplace. Sa workplace. Something na pwedeng may magti-trigger sa'yo, Gemini. And pwedeng magiging burden. Ito. Yeah. Something like that. I don't know. This is general. A secret will be revealed. Yeah. Mid-March. Up to mid-March. Some of you, may mga energy dito na pwedeng lalabas na kayo sa isang situation na talagang kailangan nyo ng alisan. Yeah. Ang talaga lang kailangan dito is hindi kayo masyadong maging emosyonal. Yes. You'll say no as an answer sa pwedeng mga sitwasyon na lagi mong inuoohan. Yeah. What else? The Lovers universe. Why? What's that? Some of you, this is talking about breakup, separation, endings of a connection. Somebody's longing for you. Someone is longing for you. They're being sneaky. Yeah. Some of them, meron silang mga gustong sabihin. May chance na about ito sa pakikipag-ayos or having a new beginning with you. Yeah, they want to get back. Oo, they want to return. To make a return. Oh my golly. Ayoko ng yung parang love. Oo, pero ang daming may connect dito. Angel number 333. Yeah. So, for you, angel number 333 could be significant. Yeah, somebody's longing for you, wanting you energetically, emotionally, physically, financially maybe. Meron ditong mapopostpone na date or may mapopostpone dito na something na pwedeng nakaschedule na. You're being andun yung energy like concerned about someone's health. Yeah, the Ace of Swords. Sabihin natin nandyan yung tutulong. Yeah. May tutulong like financially or energetically, like this is deep. Anyway, so yeah, yun ang aking nakikita for you in general, no? So tayo tumungo na sa love. Let's see, anong meron sa love? Love. Okay, who's this player returning? Somebody, a player. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ayoko na talaga ng may binabatong cards. Queen of Cups. Ace of Swords universe. And the King of Cups. Hindi, yeah, we have a pair. I think this is like mutual feelings, pero walang nagsasalita, walang nagpapahayag, walang nag-express. Okay, meron din ako nakikita rito ng energy about cutting off people, cutting off ties, situation maybe, na may third party involved. Okay, so what else, Gemini? The Page of Cups. I'm hearing new love interest, crush. What's with this Page of Cups? The Fool. A new love interest. Anong meron dito? Anong kailangan mong malaman dito sa new love interest, Gemini? Could be a water sign or an Aries. Ooh, this is super duper crush. Talagang hindi ko nakikita na totally mag-open up sa'yo to. May chance na pwedeng intuitively, no, nalalaman mo na itong taong to is into you. Into you. Yeah. Some of you, you're intuitive. Alam mo yung nararamdaman ng tao. Like that. Okay? Somebody needs emotional help. Parang emotional support. I think that's channeled anyway. Nanaginip ba kayo, mga Gemini? Nitong nakaraan or sabihin natin there's something about this dream, I think this is a dream na pwedeng may ko-connect sa'yo. Anong meron? I don't know if this is merong ibibigay something. I don't know. Or maybe ikaw itong you're thinking of a someone na talagang gustong-gusto mo and makikita mo sa dream mo. Kung anong gusto mong mangyari sa inyo, yun ang nakikita mo. Something like that. Like, yes, control mo yung dream. Anyway, so what else for you, Gemini, when it comes to love? Gemini in love. Page of Swords. Do you have a stalker? Are you stalking someone? Do you stalk? Are you stalking? Let's see. Somebody is spying. Page of Swords in reverse. Ang dami naman nagkakagusto sa'yo, Gemini. Somebody is giving interest. Like, putting interest. Parang ganun. They want you. This person likes you. Somebody na pwedeng younger. Ang daming page dito. Ang dami. I'm seeing here like 3 new love interest. Ang dami. Kumusta ka naman? Diba? 3. Baka pinakamahina na yan, ha, Gemini? Mahina na po yun, madam. Okay. Sorry naman. Mahina pa pala yan. Tingnan natin. Anong meron? Ay! Isa sa kanila, may chance. Yeah. Isa sa kanila, magsabi ng totoong nararamdaman sa'yo. And I think, yung iba sa inyo, ha, pwedeng magkaroon ng leveling up. Okay? Diyan sa mangyayaring yan. I don't know. Meron na rin ditong iba sa inyo, if you're already in a connection or romantic connection, mayroon nang magtatanong dito or magsasabi ng kung pwede na ba na mag-settle down. That's so specific. Or maybe this is like planning. Okay? So, yeah. Avoid secret affairs. Please. Anyway. So, there. Okay. So, tayo ay tumungo sa iyong person. Okay. Let's use another deck. Gemini placements. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. Your person. The person on your mind. Let's see who is this person. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Yeah. Please like. Okay? Gemini. Sino itong taong to, Gemini? Okay. Sandali lang. Oo, yung mga atat na. Kinuha ko pa yung energy. Teka lang. Ha? Gemini, sino ba ito? Itong taong to. Okay. The Ten of Cups in reversed. May narinig ako unfulfilled. Hindi kontento rin. Or hindi ka masaya. Pwedeng water sign. Or hindi na masaya yung pagsasama. I don't know. What's with this Ten of Cups in reversed? May kulang. The Eight of Swords in reversed. Somebody, sabihin nating lumalagpas na sa limit. May lumalagpas na sa limit dito, Gemini. I don't know who's who. Pwedeng ikaw yung lumalagpas na sa limit dito sa taong to. They're unhappy. Okay, yeah, the Ace of Cups is here in reverse. May mga nasayang dito. May mga natapon. Some of you, may anak kayo nito. Yeah, King of Cups in reverse. Emotionally, hindi talaga invested maybe. Or hindi talaga like, kaya magseryoso emotionally. Or mag-invest talaga sa connection. Ano meron? Some of them, tong taong to, nagsasabi sa'yo ng mga hinanakit niya. Nagsasabi sa'yo ng mga hinanakit. Iba sa inyo, pwedeng mag-asawa kayo nito eh. And hindi siya ganun kasaya. Kung ano man ang meron sa pagsasama nyo, hindi ganun kasaya. Yeah, the Hierophant. Pwedeng kasal kayo. Anyway. So, ano bang kailangan mong malaman dito sa sitwasyon? Ayaw na ng taong itong mag-isip ng kung ano-ano man pagdating sa situation ninyo. Ayaw na niya ma-stress. Actually, stress talaga siya. Pinipili na lang niya talaga na hindi ma-stress. Yeah, the Lovers in reversed. Anong kailangan mong malaman? Hindi ko nakikitang matibay ang pundasyon ninyo, Gemini. Nakikita kong hindi nga matibay yung pundasyon. The Lovers in reversed. Why the Lovers in reversed? Queen of Swords. Parang nagsasama na lang dahil sa papel. Dahil sa kung anong meron, kung anong dapat. Parang ganun. Somebody's unhappy pagdating sa connection na to. So, it's like practical lang. Yeah, doon yung concern. Pero, kung tatanungin, like, deep down. Oo, gano'n na lang. Ay, yeah, buntong hininga. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles in reversed. Wala akong nakukuhang pwedeng nagsisimula eh. Walang nababago. Anong meron? Yeah, see? The Chariot in reverse. Walang nangyayaring improvement pagdating sa connection ninyo nitong taong to. This is like, may naririnig ako co-parenting. Ganun na lang ang nakukuha ko dito. Pwedeng, yeah, may family kayong sarili. Oh no. The Lovers in reversed. Yeah. Sabihin natin, yeah, pwedeng magkasama kayo pero emotionally, andyan yung gap. Or hindi na totally like talagang masasabing mahal. Parang ganyan eh. Ano ba emosyon ito for you, Gemini? Let's see. Yeah. The Nine of Cups. There's this codependency. Kailangan lang. Yeah, kailangan lang. Hindi na masaya tong taong to, Gemini. Kailangan lang niya na magstay dito kasi kailangan. Yes. The Five of Pentacles. The Five of Pentacles. Sabihin natin yung energy is like kawawang-kawawa na. Like bugbog na. May mga hinahanap na dito. Okay? Somebody's lagi na lang pwedeng napupunta yung focus sa iba. I don't know. So stressful. O, diba? Nine of Cups in reversed. Emotion. Codependency. This person, sabihin natin, kailangan ka. Emotionally. Pwedeng ikaw, Gemini, malayo ang emosyon mo dito sa taong to. I don't know if this is sabihin nating SEX lang, ng SEX. Pero, yung totoo, hindi. Parang, yes, physically, nandyan, pero, diba? What's with that 9 of Cups in reversed? The 2 of Wands. Gusto ng taong to magkaroon uli ka, or magkaroon kayo ng sabihin nating parang kailangan ko dito na may mangyaring improvement naman sa atin, sa pagsasama natin. Yeah, they want that. Hindi ko alam, pwedeng hindi niya makuha sa'yo yun. Some of you, you're too busy. And other things. You're too busy. Yeah, Magician. The King of Pentacles. I think there's no equal give and take here. No equal give and take. I think. Yeah. Parang isa yung mas mataas kaysa dun sa isa. So, dapat kailangan mag-submit yung isa. Okay? Ano bang nararamdaman mo dito, Gemini? Gusto ko makita. Anong nararamdaman mo dito sa taong to? The 3 of Wands. 3. What's with that? Yeah, see? The Queen of Cups. In the reversed. Ano po yun? This is like selfishness. I'm sorry. Sino ba nga amin dito? Sino ba nga amin dito? Sa ganito na mababasa na pangit. I don't know kung sino nga amin. May mga magdi-deny pa. So, kung hindi kayo, then shh. Okay? Kung hindi kayo. So, kung ikaw to, pwedeng nagkukulang ka na nga. Nakikita ko. May pagkukulang ka na kaya ito yung naghahanap sa'yo. Kaya siya naghahanap sa'yo. Yeah, the 10 of Swords. I don't know kung sino dito yung gumawa ng hindi magaganda sa past. Meron kasi akong nakukuha dito hindi nakakaramdam ng assurance pagdating sa love. May nabugbog dito emotionally sa past. Yeah, the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands, somebody is like playing the field, looking, searching. Yeah, andun yung pagka-player side ng isa. Ayaw niya yung parang, kung napaka-specific ng co-parenting, ayaw niya ng ganun. Gusto niya yung legit, like totally, mararamdaman niya na mag-asawa kayo. Okay? Yung parang walang iba. Parang ganyan. Hindi kayo nagsasama para lang sa mga bata, para lang sa mga responsibilidad. Like that. Let's see what is their next action towards you, Gemini. Page of Swords in reversed. And the Hierophant in reversed. The 5 of Swords in reverse. So, andun yung energy about, sabihin nating pagsang-ayon na lang sa mga kailangan. Kaya, the Moon in reverse. Ayaw rin kasi nito yung parang may mawawala. Ayaw rin to totally na, pag ako hindi nakiayon sa mga nangyayari sa amin, baka lalong mas maging hindi okay yung situation. Like that. So, makikiayon na lang sa'yo itong taong to. Pero marami siyang makikita. Marami na siyang nararamdaman na totally parang nagsasama na lang kayo para sa mga kailangan. Okay? Paghahanap. Whether sabihin man niya yon or kim-kimin na lang, yun ang nakukuha ko sa tao. Pagdating sa'yo. Tahimik to eh. The Queen of Swords, tahimik sila. Yeah, the Three of Cups in reverse. Malungkot ang person. Death. Gusto niya ng pagbabago dito sa connection. So, anong outcome nyo? / advice for you, Gemini. Outcome and advice kung meron. King of Wands. King of Swords. Yeah. Temperance. Ten of Pentacles. Death again. So, mayroon nga mga kailangang aksyonan at mayroong mga kailangang pag-usapan dito. This is like transparency. Okay? The King of Wands, sabihin nating may mga kailangang baguhin sa pagsasama. Yung dapat ramdam, hindi lang dapat nakikita. Parang ganun eh. Too general, pero yun ang nakikita ko dito. Hindi pwede yung sabihin natin, ako lang ang tama dito, kaya makinig ka. Hindi pwede. Ako lang ang tama dito, ako lang ang papakinggan mo. Yun ang nakukuha ko eh. Pwedeng ganun yung nangyayari, ganun pa rin yung magiging outcome. Ako lang dapat masusunod dito kasi ako lang naman talaga dapat. So unfair. Yung isa dito kasi sobrang tahimik. Tahimik lang. Kikibulang to kapag kailangan. Pero kapag kaya niya na sabihin natin itikom na lang yung bibig, then yeah, titikom na lang niya talaga yung bibig niya. Temperance is here. Being patient. Being patient. Somebody, pwedeng pinipili na lang talaga maging pasensyoso or pasensyosa dito sa situation para mag-work out. So, it's sabihin natin unhealthy. Codependency, check. Yeah. Somebody is sabihin nating submissive. Check. Anyway. Kasi yung isa is a controller. Yeah. Anyway. Dapat transparent. Dapat fair. Well, narinig mo naman yung side ng person. Parang ang daming hinanakit. Oh no. So, tingnan natin. Aries through Pisces. Too draining. The energy is too draining. Aries through Pisces, the zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Aries, they have option. Taurus, nawawala na yung passion. Nawawala na yung interest, attraction maybe. Gemini, no tensions at all. Something na pwedeng kailangan ibaba yung boundaries or sabihin natin, yeah, sitit, diba? Merong mga kailangan mapag-usapan dito na hindi napapag-usapan. I think some of you, itong Gemini na to, may blockages. Cancer, they want to talk. They want to communicate. They want to send you a message. Leo, they want to sabihin natin, take a rest. Some of you itong Leo na to, kung ito'y bigla na lang ng ghost, bigla na lang nawala, nag-no contact, nakipaghiwalay na hindi mo alam, there's someone else. Yeah. Virgo, feeling niya ang daming nasasayang, ang dami nang nasayang. Okay? Andyan rin yung energy about andun kasi yung energy about on and off. So, parang nasasayangan na siya sa mga bagay-bagay sa oras, if ever. Libra. Meron siya mga gusto sabihin pero hindi niya masabi. Scorpio. Codependency. They need you emotionally. Like, yeah. Sag. They're tired. They are tired. Dropping, surrendering. Capricorn, their back is turned. They don't like you. Aquarius. He doesn't care, I think. Or hindi sila ganun na nag-iisip pagdating sa'yo. It's like, hindi sila nakakaramdam ng tension, like that. Or takot sa connection. Pisces. May chance na, kung itong Pisces na to is ng ghost, may chance na makakarinig ka from them. Okay? Kasi para siyang nawawala ngayon. Parang hinahanap ka niya. Or sabihin natin kung ano man ang ginagawa niya sa ngayon, parang kailangan niya ng help. Like that. Yeah. Anyway. So there, yun ang aking reading for you, Gemini placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. And yeah, yung ating second channel na Love Letter. Yeah. Bye!